If you've been struggling with a black screen when trying to play videos or join video calls on the Telegram app, you're not alone. It's a surprisingly common hiccup that can pop up on Android, iPhone, or even your desktop. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a toolbox of quick, effective fixes to get Telegram videos working smoothly again. So let's get right into it and troubleshoot step by step, starting with your mobile device. First up, one of the most surprisingly effective fixes is clearing the Telegram cache. Think of the cache as a junk drawer where Telegram stores temporary files. Sometimes this drawer gets too full or a file goes bad, and that can mess with how videos display. Clearing the cache doesn't touch your chat history or saved media, it just tidies up those temporary files. On your phone, just head into Telegram settings, tap data and storage, then storage usage. Here you'll find the clear cache option. Tap it, confirm, and wait a few seconds. You won't lose any important stuff. A lot of users see the black screen problem vanish right here. Next, give the app a fresh start. Fully close Telegram from your recent app switcher. Don't just minimize it, but actually swipe it away. Then open it again. It's a bit like rebooting your computer. Sometimes apps just need a little reset to shake off small glitches. Alright, software updates are essential. Using an outdated app means you might be dealing with bugs that have already been fixed in recent versions. Head over to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and make sure Telegram is fully up to date. This is quick to check and can help you dodge a lot of unnecessary headaches. Now let's talk about your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily cause videos to fail to load, resulting in a black screen. Try switching between Wi-Fi and your mobile data just to see if either works better. Also, if you're using a VPN, temporarily turn it off. VPNs can sometimes interfere with how Telegram streams videos. It's a quick thing to test, and you can swap it back on afterward. Sometimes power saving or battery saver modes on your phone can throttle apps running in the background, including video playback. Head over to your device's system settings, and if battery saver is on, toggle it off for a bit to see if Telegram works better. If none of those solve it, it's time for a fresh install. Uninstall Telegram from your device, restart your phone just to clear out lingering issues, and reinstall Telegram from the App Store. Don't worry, your cloud chats are safe, but take note that secret chats do get erased, so you might want to save anything important from those before proceeding. If you're dealing with Telegram on your desktop computer, here's a handy technical tweak. Open Telegram Desktop, go into Settings and then the Advanced section. Look for a setting called Angle Graphics Backend. By default, this might be set to auto, but switch it to disabled and restart Telegram. Think of this like asking Telegram to use a more basic way of showing video, which can help if your computer has graphics quirks. After restarting, you can try toggling this setting back to auto just to see if things reset properly. Don't forget, keeping your graphics drivers updated is essential, especially for video playback. Hit up your device manager or your graphics card maker's website, like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and make sure you have the latest drivers. Lastly, if you're getting a black screen during a video call, double-check your camera permissions. Make sure Telegram is allowed to access your camera in your device settings. And if your screen goes black when you hold the phone up to your face, your proximity sensor might be blocked. Give your screen a quick wipe and make sure there's nothing covering it, like a screen protector that's not fitted right or even your finger. If any of these steps helped, let me know in the comments. If you're still stuck, mention your device and what you've tried. I'll do my best to help you out. For more helpful tech tutorials, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you won't miss out on future fixes and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and see you next time.